All right, guys, how's it going? The market is absolutely ugly. Everything's going down. I mean, look at my watch list. Everything's red. There's not a single green stock in my watch list. Of course, there's going to be, some top gainers, but I want to talk about seeing Single Point Inc. as it had a reverse split way back here on August 15th. It started going down a lot. You can look at the news. Not really that anything great here. We did have a 13G filing showing on May 26th, way back though. But besides all this though, what we're seeing here, I'm going to show you guys my system. It's not my favorite setup due to the fact that EMA 20 and the 10 has not got hit, in a like absurd amount of time. The EMA 20 and 10 will get hit, but what I want to show you guys is some rare things like this. As you can see, if you look at the EMA 5, it's just barely missed it. And when I see that, I cannot count that as an EMA 5 touch. It is not an EMA 5 touch. The algos and the market will tell you if it touches it. And you might be asking, like, why are you why are you so concerned about that? So if I'm looking at my system, I want to wait for Sing to, come pretty close to this bottom band. But the problem is it's not going to, because it is a negative number. This bottom band will have to curl up here at some point. What I am looking at is the K value. It's at 1.67. That is extremely low. We don't see that often. So, I mean, if I get one more down day on seeing, I might have to enter. And here's the two reasons why I like it. We haven't hit the EMA 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anything that don't touch the EMA 5 in 7 daily candles is really long. I would have never taken Sing up in here because there's not much room to the EMA 5. You got to realize is the EMA 5 is your first target. So when you're going up and through this area, there's just not much room here. This is the 7th daily candle. It's quite almost touching. So when I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, well, the EMA 5 now is at 1.74. If we do a little data and price range, we're looking at a 252% if it hits the 5. Obviously, it's going to fluctuate the next day. You can look at the fluctuations here. It went from 233 to 174. So it's probably going to go to 140. I would love for Sing just to, come back to the highs of this candle here, 80 cents. That'd be a massive gain. Sing has lost a lot. If it just goes to the high of this candle where it's at, you're looking at a 55%. A 50% gain here if you just buy it at the lows and it just recovers this candle here. So yeah, a lot of retail traders will get in on this candle here. This is where a lot of retail traders, some are way over in here on this big candle. See, what happens is a lot of people see one big fat candle. They're like, oh my gosh, the book value, the cash per share, this thing actually is at a big discount. And so what happens is you have the reverse split, and it just slowly comes down and down and down. And then it goes down some more. And then now retail traders are like panicking. They don't understand why this is going down. It's because you're not following a system on how to catch bottom trend reversals. This is on a nasty downtrend. As you can see, if you draw the trend channels, you can clearly see it's on a nasty downtrend. You got the highs, the low, right in here. It's obviously not going to go all the way down here, but you could clearly see we're in a downtrend and we broke out of that. If you draw this right here, this is probably a very good accurate channel here you can draw. Right down in here, you could probably very well get a nice bounce here. This is a nice area I would look for. Does it go here? I'm not sure, guys. It doesn't have to, but I will say it has to hit the EMA 5, so I would watch that. But yeah, this is a nice little area, K of 1.73. It's extremely low. The market's just been terrible, so everything's going down. So it's taken, penny stocks are going to get ripped a whole lot more. So, yeah, let's look at this, see what's going to go on. This is definitely on my watch list. It's not my favorite setup. This is just an EMA 5 dead cat bounce only. Obviously, if you get precise entries, you can get massive gains. And as you can see, there's quite a room up. If you buy it from here to the EMA 5, you're looking at a 300% return. Obviously, I would not even come close to taking that. I would love, something around here if we just recover the highs of that candle there. So yeah, this is Sing. This is a very great opportunity. I think this can make a nice move. It's got decent volume, but obviously wait for my entries. If I decide to get in, I'm going to look for the most extreme on this thing. I want to make sure there's a bottom trend touch here. I found a good channel that I like. I know the EMA 5s do. I know the K on the KDJ, which is the stochastic oscillator down below, is extremely oversold. That's how you're supposed to trade these things if you're just doing the EMA 5. We are not due for the 10 or 20 yet. So these two targets should not be in the pinpoint. Let's look for an EMA 5, take that big bounce up, and let's make some money together, guys. Join the Discord, guys. I think you're not going to regret it. Join the premium Discord. I'll put the link down below in YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to subscribe, please read how to subscribe. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts for you. Some people get these messages and think I'm going to trade for you. No, I'll never DM you or message you first. If you want to subscribe and you want to see all the good stuff, read the testimonies. I'm telling you guys, you're going to make a lot of money doing a system that works. Hit the top left on Server Shop, and you'll see I offer two services, Swing Trading and then Day and Swing Trading Plus. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is only $12 a month, and you're going to get access to all my services, past knowledge, future knowledge, education, how I do day trades, how I do swing trades, my RTK journal, and my live streams. So for $12 a month, if you subscribe on a computer, it's a flat rate. You won't be charged any more. If you do it on your phone, you might get charged a little more. I have a very high win ratio doing swing trades. As of now, it's over 95%. I only lost one trade in the past 8 months doing this strategy. It's a very, very nice strategy. I'm not here to promise you guys you're going to be millionaires. This is more a consistent strategy. I say take the gains when you're up 10 to 20%, scale out, and always look, never be greedy. You know what your targets are. Know when what your time distance is, when you're supposed to hit these targets. Draw your trend channel. Are you near the ATR4, which is down here? And all this stuff is a good recipe for a pump. All right, guys, that's my analysis on Swing. I'll be watching it. I'll let you guys know when I decide to get in it. And I hope you guys join the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.